Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, October 22, 2020. Today's video is about tagging Bennu. On October 20th, after a careful approach to the boulder-strewn surface, the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft's arm reached out and touched asteroid Bennu. Dubbed a touch-and-go (TAG) sampling event, the 30-centimeter wide sampling head, TAGSAM, appears to crush some of the rocks in this snapshot. The close-up scene was recorded by the spacecraft SamCam some 321 million kilometers from planet Earth, just after surface contact. 1 second later, the spacecraft fired nitrogen gas from a bottle intended to blow a substantial amount of Bennu's regolith into the sampling head, collecting the loose surface material. Data show the spacecraft spent approximately 5 more seconds in contact with Bennu's Nightingale sample site and then performed its back-away burn. Time-lapse frames from SamCam reveal the aftermath. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.